Hey, good afternoon. Andy Farmer, MarineMax, Wrightsville Beach here. I want to do a video walkthrough on this 2005 Boston Whaler 22 Dauntless. It's been stored here in our area since new. Dry stored the majority of its life. First couple years it did have bottom paint and stay in a wet slip. But it has original cushions. They're at the end of their useful life. I mean, they're on board and you can use them, but definitely got some cracking going on here. Fiberglass and gel coat is in good shape. Just soft goods on some of the areas are definitely showing their age. Stepping down, got some powder coating there, but another cushion here. Live well underneath here. Here's the flip up aft bench seat. Again, cushions are the end of their life, but good storage underneath. Got a live well here. The flip-flop seat, and then this slides down. You got a live well there as well. Tow pylon. Mercury just had full engine service. Bim top's in good shape. Nice touchscreen Garmin display, sounder and chart plotter. Lenco trim tabs with LED indicator. Digital throttle and shift. Motor's running now, but shifts in and out with no problems. Tackle storage over here. Cooler. These lift up. Anchor storage forward. It is equipped with the trolling motor mount, and then over in the side compartment got life jackets thrown in here, but got a small area in the console for some additional storage. Makes someone a great boat to run over to Masonboro, back and forth to the sandbar. Holes in gonna last a lifetime. Motor's running good, completely serviced. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video. If you got any interest in this boat or any others, give us a call, 910-264-4818, 910-264-4818. Thanks. Have a great day.